Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this website builder platform called B12 AI. So I'm going to explore its key features, the pros and cons, to help you decide if this platform is the best website builder platform for your choice. So to get started, B12 AI is a smart website builder tailored for professional service businesses. It combines AI automation with a human expert support to create and manage websites, offering a seamless and end-to-end experience. Now, talking about the key features about this platform, because it's one of the best features. So, talking about the best features which makes this platform stand out compared to other competitors, it comes with an AI-powered website content creation, together with a human collaboration. With the help of B12 design and copy expert, you can help you find a tone with the sites to match your brand. And also it comes with an all-in-one business tools which include online scheduling, payment, contract email marketing, and a client intake form. Also it cares about the SEO and analytics. With the help of the inbuilt SEO tools and site performance inside, you can help optimize your visibility and your engagement. Now, talking about the price plan, we have four type of pricing plan. We have the starter plan, the basic, the professional, and the advanced. So you can just get back to the website using the link in the video to help you make an informed decision about which plan will be a better option for your website building. So talking about the pros and cons, so that it is good to understand the good side and the bad side of a particular platform before diving into it. So I'm just going to create a quick review about the good side of this platform, which is a pro part of it. So talking about the good side, it has a AI fast generated website setup. It also comes with an integrated tools, reduced need for third-party platform. Also, it has a professional refinement for a human expert, and it is very easy to use in editing interface, and also scales well with growing business. Now, talking about the downside, the price is higher than some other competitors' websites. It also has a limited design flexibility for advanced customization, and features-rich interface may overwhelm basic users, and the AI generated draft may need a significant manual tweak, so you cannot really rely on the AI generated draft. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI platform. Thanks.